What's up guys, we're back with the latest news. A lot has happened in the past few days. OnePlus is looking to rival Samsung's Galaxy S22 series momentum with their OnePlus 10 Pro and rival the Galaxy A series with the OnePlus Nord N25G, all in 2022. And surprise, surprise, things are changing. After the whole fusion with Oppo, OnePlus is looking to do something that they haven't done before. According to this latest leak via Max on Twitter, who's very spot on with the OnePlus stuff, OnePlus, for some reason, they're gonna announce this phone in China 2 months before the full global release. Meaning January/February 2022 for the China announcement, and then globally it's going to be April/March. This is an interesting strategy that we have seen before from other Chinese brands, including Xiaomi. They introduced their phone in China first, which is the world's biggest smartphone market, before other regions in order to stay competitive in that market, and now seems like OnePlus will do the same. Now what you see is the actual design of the phone via OnLeaks. It comes with a brand new design that we can all agree to some degree that it's definitely inspired from Samsung, the S21 Ultra's design, especially if you look at the side blended camera bump. We've got quad cameras in this big camera bump. No periscope zoom lens can be seen, which means that OnePlus 10 Pro will likely not have any long range zoom implementation like 10x optical zoom that we see on the S21 Ultra, but the cameras do look really massive. Like the whole bump is just too big, the biggest that we have seen on any OnePlus phone. So could we possibly see a 1-inch sensor? We'll keep an eye on the camera related leaks for the OnePlus 10 Pro. When it comes to the front, it's pretty much the same as before. OnePlus is not using the under display camera, meaning in 2022 most phones will still come with a punch hole camera setup. Specs wise, the OnePlus 10 Pro will have a 6.7-inch screen, the latest Sony cameras, Snapdragon 898 chip, and possibly the bonkers 125-watt fast charging. Yes, OnePlus is looking to enhance its fast charging speed to a whole new level. Of course, this is all done by Oppo. Oppo is working on a new 125-watt fast charging tech that significantly reduces the load and prevents overheating caused by the high current. If they actually pull this off, this phone will charge in just a matter of minutes. Also, this could be something user controllable, meaning if you don't want that high fast charging, you could limit it to 65 watt if you want to, but this is something that's highly possible and it's expected to come to not only OnePlus phones but Oppo devices as well as Oppo's sub-brand Realme. Now with the OnePlus 10 series, we're gonna see the Nord N25G as well. This is going to be a brand new mid-range phone coming with a 6.43-inch display. Specs wise, it's not that different compared to what OnePlus has already done. Hopefully the pricing will be really good. Again, this will be a super affordable 5G phone in order to rival the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A series. Now currently, OnePlus has no plans for foldable phones, but Oppo could very likely introduce a folding phone in 2022, and if Oppo does that, that means OnePlus has a chance to release their phone maybe towards the end of 2022 or maybe in 2023. We'll see about that, but currently no plans for a OnePlus foldable phone. That's all the news we have. The OnePlus 10 Pro is coming. Let me know what you think about this OnePlus 10 Pro, especially the design, in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.